I think the biggest thing I like about my class is freedom. I'm in a projects class right now, so I can design like whatever I want, and that's great. It's super exciting. For example, like if I wanted to do this stuff on my own, I'm gonna spend probably $5,000 like sending these parts to companies to make these for me, and I'm at a college that is free for me and I can just do this stuff for free, which is awesome.
I was thinking of getting a degree to help me advance in my career, and my dad actually helped me get a foot in the door here. The instructors are really good, and the hands-on elements that make everything click into place.
Now I'm like doing things I'm interested in, and this could be a potential career path.
If you like working with your hands, problem solving, troubleshooting, or anything like that, these degrees will be very beneficial for you.